Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the passcode on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, because this is all going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, as you can see, now I have the passcode turned on, and to unlock the Apple Watch I need to enter the passcode, as you can see right now. And now, after I have entered the passcode, the Apple Watch is unlocked. And if you want to turn it off, you need to go to the up frame by pressing the digital crown once. And now just enter to the settings. And now what you want to do is just scroll down a little bit and find the option called passcode. Just click on it, and now, as you can see, turn passcode off. So if you want to turn the passcode off, you just want to click on it and now enter the current passcode. And now the passcode is off. As you can see right now, I can unlock the Apple Watch without the passcode. So, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!